Okay, today we have a washer allergy. We was here about a week ago. The client complained that the washer fills up by itself when they don't use it, and over a few days it fills up with water. So far it was fine, but they were concerned about this issue. This is the common problem with any washer machine, so today we're gonna replace inlet valves. We recommend that replace both of them at the same time. Most of the time it's the cold water valve, but because the machine is about 10-12 years old, it would be a smart idea to replace both the valve at the same time. Yeah, let's take a look. Here we are with the open hood. This is the hot water valve. This is the cold water. This is those are the two old ones, and here we have the new ones. Here is already like I said, this is the new one. Just already removed the hoses, put it on the new one, but I just wanted to show how it looks. You can see the valve is all of them are removed, and this is the only one that keep dripping. And if we're just gonna wipe it over here, and the water just start dripping. So within a few hours, maybe a day, you have a full washer machine, and it's just getting worse. Okay, so it's all good. Both valves were replaced. Just testing the machine right now. Give it a couple minutes. Make sure that everything is working good. We'll check the hoses at the back and close the top, and everything is good. And we'll let know the client to monitor the machine for the next couple weeks. And the warranty is 90 days. So if you need any help in Victoria, British Columbia, give us a call.